Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlon here. So today's STEAM project is going to be this really nice blend between art and physics. Don't let the physics throw you. It's not going to be that difficult. So a pendulum is basically something that swings back and forth. All right, a lot of times we talk about a simple pendulum, and that's just a mass, something, hanging from a string that swings back and forth. You can have a physical pendulum. That would be very similar to the pendulum in a grandfather clock, where, if I have a simple pendulum, the string, I can kind of ignore it. Ideally, I would ignore it. In a physical pendulum, I can't ignore that part. That's going to play a role in what the pendulum is actually going to do and how it's going to behave. You can have a torsional pendulum, where if you have like a string and you put something on it and you twist it and you let it go, it's going to unwind and then wind itself the other way, and then unwind and then wind itself the other way. That's called a torsional pendulum. Now each of these, it's a nice day, but it's still a little bit warm. Each of these has a unique equation and a unique set of laws that governs it. And they're all really interesting. Today we're going to be working with a physical pendulum, and you're going to be able to explore some of the properties of, a simple pendulum. You're going to be able to explore some of the properties of a simple pendulum in a very artistic way, and I'm really looking forward to this one. So I'll show you my setup in a little bit. It's over there. What I've done is I've made a stand, basically, and you could do this, get a couple of chairs of the same height, and then put a bar of something across them. And I got a string and some plastic cups. And I put a hole on the tops of the cups, on the sides, and I put the string through that, okay, so that I can hang the cup. I tied a knot so it hangs. And I put a hole in the bottom of the cup. And then I put tape over the hole to act like the bottom is complete. And here's what we're going to do. I've got some acrylic paint, and we're going to mix about half and half, because I want it kind of runny but not like super runny, the acrylic paint and some water. Okay, start off with the water, add the paint, mix it up, and just get it about as however runny as you want. I've got two pendula, plural for pendulum. I've got two pendula that I have. One of them is tied off, it's a fixed length. And I'm gonna fill that with some paint and water. And I'm gonna remove the tape and let it swing back and forth. And it's gonna make some neat little art for us. I have another one that I haven't tied off, that I'm going to be able to vary the length of it. Now, what I hope you'll discover is that the length of a simple pendulum plays a direct role in its period, that is how long it takes to swing. A shorter length is going to swing really fast. A long length is going to swing rather slowly. So with different lengths and varying the lengths, I'm going to get paint coming out really fast and then paint coming out kind of slowly, and hopefully that's going to give us some pretty cool effects. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and get started. All right, the point is, have fun with it. This was really a blast for me to try. I'm gonna do it again, probably not on camera, see if I can't get it a little bit better, because this is really awesome. Hey, makes a great gift. What'd you do? I painted you this picture with science. STEAM, everybody. Science, technology, engineering, art, math. They do fit together. They are awesome. Give it a shot. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.